Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BillGuard, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the BillGuard app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the budget tab located at the bottom menu. Tap on Add New Budget to start creating your budget. Choose the category you want to set a budget for. Set the desired amount for that category. Adjust the time frame for your budget, such as monthly or weekly. Click on Save to confirm your budget settings. Now, return to the dashboard to see your overall budget. Keep track of your spending in each category regularly. If you notice overspending, modify your budget as needed. Review your budget performance at the end of the month. Look for trends and adjust future budgets accordingly. Explore additional features like expense tracking and alerts. Regularly update your income and expenses for accurate budgeting. Take advantage of BillGuard's reports to analyze your financial health. With consistent use, you'll improve your budgeting skills over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.